So we're getting ready for the Santa Fe Satchel. And what we want to do here is we want to take a large flat rate box, or whatever box, and we want to cut it down so that we can use it for a mold on our base for the Santa Fe. So, and you'll notice on here that it's a little bit short on the sides, and that's because you're going to have, you know, it kind of tapers off of it. You don't want it right up against it. You want to give just a little bit. So maybe there's a, maybe there's a 1/4 inch on each side there. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to score a couple of inches off a box, and use an X-Acto, I'm going to cut that down some. So the first thing I want to do is take my box, and I want to measure 2 inches down on each one of these corners. So I'm just going to take a Sharpie. Oops. This isn't rocket science. You know, it's not like it's not a critical measurement. Yeah, you want 2 inches, but it's not, it's just 2 inches. That's what it is. So I've marked this on each side. And then I'm going to take my X-Acto box cutter, and I'm just going to cut that down to that level on each one of these. Let's bring this back a little bit. So I'm going to trim these down to my mark on each one of these guys. Now you take a ruler. I already did that one. Yes, I did. Or any kind of a straight edge. I think what I'm going to do is just use a piece of cardboard, just another base. So you need some kind of a straight edge here, and you're going to mark those dots, just like that, all the way around. And then I'm going to score those so I can start folding this over. Okay, so then I'm going to take my X-Acto or my box cutter, whatever, and I just want to score on that line. I don't want to go all the way through it. I just want to score it. Okay, and once you score it, you'll see how easy, if I had that cut down, on this one, that'll fold over. See how that folds over nice? Alright, so we're going to go do this side, make sure I got both sides done, and then once again I'm just going to follow that pencil line I made. I don't want to go all the way through, I just want to score it. And then that'll pop right over. Okay? And I'll do that on these two sides, and then I'm going to tape the box up, and voila! We have box mold for the Santa Fe Satchel. That's pretty easy, huh? See, I didn't put my mark on here, so I'll do that quick. Once again, I'm going to score it with my cutter. Pop that over. So all I'm going to do then is just tape that down, you know, just like that. So I'll probably do it on both sides here, just to make sure it's not going. We have very quick and dirty mold, and that's all ready to go. So here's that same base we're going to use. Works perfect. Okay, so let's get after getting that base done. That's next.